Okay, welcome back to Web3 Money. We will be doing a token research specifically for Cardano ADA for 2024 and beyond. So this is a comprehensive token research like I've been doing. You guys could check it out inside of web3money.co. Team, value proposition, community adoption, all that good stuff is written inside of this article. So like I do usually, I'm going to go through the article itself, and then we're going to go ahead and do some research together outside of this article to gain a better picture of what Cardano is all about. Okay, let's get some background. So Cardano is a decentralized proof-of-stake protocol, a blockchain platform founded in 2015 by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum. It was launched in 2017 with the goal of being a more scalable, sustainable, and interoperable alternative to existing blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's interesting here is that for a very long time, Cardano was not able to execute on anything. They had a really nice website and a bunch of funding, and were basically cruising for about 5 years until some activity was starting to happen over the recent years. And it's funny because the ADA token itself was just on the top charts without, having any kind of ecosystem in the early years, right? So 2015 is a really long time. 2017, we're 2024, right? So it's a really long time until we saw what we see today. Anyway, so a very nice fun fact about Cardano. So they posted inside of their Twitter page on March 8th, delving into Mary Shelley's legacy, we celebrate her as literally pioneer with Frankenstein. This masterpiece challenges us to reflect on the role of science in society. Her work continues to spark critical reflections on the intersection of science and humanity. Ada Lovelace, the first computer programmer, merged mathematical brilliance with creative vision. Her collaboration with Charles Babbage pioneered computing, shaping our modern technological landscape. So this is what the ADA token is based out of, or at least the name ADA, like why not CAR for Cardano or CRD, right? Why ADA? So apparently they take this inspiration from Ada Lovelace. So why don't we go ahead and actually get into who Ada Lovelace is. So let's go and check. Ada Lovelace was a mathematician and writer. She was born in 1815 in London, United Kingdom, and November 27, 1852. For all you women, females out there, take inspiration from Ada Lovelace. This is an amazing inspiration to get into mathematics, to get into the STEM field, science, technology, whatever it is, and start your journey inside of the computer world, right? If I'm speaking French, English, Spanish, or even Latin, right, it's because there's a world for it. So the more so with computers, we should all be learning how to write code, how to read code, how to understand computers. And so this is a fantastic example to go ahead and inspire yourself from. Augusta Ada King, Countess of Lovelace, was an English mathematician and writer, chiefly known for her work on Charles Babbage's proposed mechanical general-purpose computer, the analytical engine. Let's go ahead and do that. I think I'm steering off from Cardano a bit, but I think this is pretty cool. So the analytical engine was a proposed digital mechanical general-purpose computer designed by English mathematician and computer pioneer Charles Babbage. It was first described in 1837 as a successor to Babbage's difference engine, which was a design for a simpler mechanical calculator. This is how a computer looked like before, guys, which is very, very interesting. Anyways, let's go ahead and keep going with our program. So the platform is named after Italian mathematician Girolamo Cardano, with its native cryptocurrency ADA is named after Ada Lovelace. So here we have both the origins of Cardano and the origins of Ada Lovelace, a 19th century mathematician considered the first computer programmer. Great. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the team. So Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson and Jeremy Wood in 2015. The project is overseen by 3 independent entities: the Cardano Foundation, based in Switzerland, IOHK, led by Hoskinson himself, and Emergo, a Japanese company that supports Cardano adoption. So you guys could read a little bit more about this, later, but let's talk about the value proposition of Cardano. So Cardano aims to be a decentralized application, a dApp development platform with a multi-asset ledger and verifiable smart contracts built on peer-reviewed research. These are the main unique value propositions that Cardano provides. Scalability, so obviously the ability to have higher throughput. I think, obviously coming from Ethereum, they wanted to go ahead and challenge the bottlenecks that they were experiencing there. Sustainability, obviously reducing energy, all that stuff. Interoperability, this is the ability to communicate with other blockchains, governance, formal verification, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this seems like very similar to other types of blockchains or, programs that are coming out there. But why don't we go now to the tokenomics inside of CoinMarketCap. So let me go ahead and open that right now. Let's go type in an ADA, which is sitting currently at number 8, 74 cents. If you look at the all-time high, ADA was at close to $3 per ADA token. You could find them in every single platform that you're interested in. The ADA token is currently max supply at $45 billion. There's currently circulating right now $35 billion. So, almost 80% is circulating inside of the market. And market cap is about sitting $26 billion. If we look at the current market cap where it was at the all-time high, it was at $100 billion. So if we compare the market cap now until then, the all-time high, this will be a 5x, return in terms of the market cap, which is an interesting perspective. We could see it like at $3, $4, $5, maybe even more with this new bull run market that we see. Obviously, this is not financial advice, but some interesting developments that has been happening. There is more demand for the ADA token because the ecosystem, we're going to talk about that just in a bit, the ecosystem has been developing. Anyway, so that's a little bit more about the token itself. So ADA is Cardano's native cryptocurrency token. It has a maximum supply of $45 billion, blah, blah. We just talked about this. And we spoke about that as well. So community and adoption. Cardano has built a strong community of supporters, developers, and ADA holders. It is one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Over 70% of ADA supply is staked across 2,500 staking pools globally. And Cardano has partnerships with several governments and enterprises to drive real-world adoption. So they're less focused with the consumer or retail customers, like, for example, like Ethereum or Solana or whatnot. They're more focused on, the enterprise side of things. With the launch of smart contract capabilities in 2021, so again, 4 years after it launched, Cardano now enables developers to build dApps and issue custom tokens on its own blockchain. You have Sunday Swap, you have, lending, borrowing protocol, stablecoins, marketplaces, kind of like what every other, blockchain has. If you guys believe in the project, if you guys believe in the team, you guys should definitely go ahead and check it out for yourself. Again, not financial advice. Cardano has a detailed roadmap planned across 5 development areas. So there's a lot of things happening in terms of technology. There's the Hydra Layer 2 scaling solution to enable high throughput, which in my opinion is kind of weird because the whole point of Cardano in the first place was to create a blockchain in itself that was higher throughput itself. You don't need a Layer 2 solution to go ahead and do that, but we're not going to talk about that right now. Sidechains for interoperability and scalability. Again, like, why would you create sidechains? That's the whole... Okay, anyways. Mithril protocol for light client syncing and on-chain governance and a decentralized project treasury. So yeah, I mean, like, personally, I'm not, like, so crazy about Cardano. Maybe, like, on the price action level, looking at the all-time high, obviously it's in the top 10. Maybe that could be interesting, but I think there are many more interesting blockchain or programs there that are significantly higher in developers, applications, and whatnot. So you guys check it out for yourself. Again, this is Lorenzo from Web3 Money. Please leave a comment or a suggestion below for what kind of token or crypto you guys want to have and do. And we will see each other another time. Take care.